Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design and draft tools like Polyline, Additive Pipe, Linear Pattern, Mirror, and Extrude. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used for this exercise. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here are the dimensions and the steps. In step 1, we create the wireframe or the path in Draft Workbench. First, switch from the Part Design Workbench to Draft Workbench. Activate the Polyline tool and create a line with multiple points. First, activate the options Relative and Continue. Set the points step by step. Follow the coordinates or the points in the dialog window. Change the appearance of the lines and set the radius of the corners. In step 2, we create circular profile at the origin and on YZ plane. Activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Move the wire to the body before you create the solid part. Now select the sketch and activate the Additive Pipe tool. Activate the path object and then select the wire. Click OK to confirm. In step 3, we sketch the circular profile, which is defined as position 3, and create a pipe with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Correct the radius of the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 240 millimeters. In step 4, we create the other pipes with the help of Linear Pattern tool. Select the created pipe and then activate the Linear Pattern tool. Now set the total distance of the transformation and the total number of occurrences. The last step is to mirror the body and to finalize the exercise. Select the body and activate the mirror tool. Select YZ plane for the mirror operation. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.